Very juicy and tender air fryer turkey breast is so easy to make using boneless, skinless turkey tenderloin. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect turkey breast in the air fryer for 2 to 4 people with a dry rub seasoning. Let me take you in the kitchen and show you how it's done. So as far as seasonings go, you could use just salt and pepper, or you could use a poultry blend, or you could use the Sip Bite Go recipe that I have included with this air fryer turkey breast recipe that shows you how to mix together all the ingredients you need to make your own turkey seasoning blend. So just go ahead and brush on some olive oil to the turkey breast, then season each side generously, and then flip it and put some more olive oil and seasoning, and then it's ready to go in the air fryer. So after you spray the air fryer, just plop those turkey breast tenderloins in the air fryer and make sure that they're not touching. You could probably fit up to 3 in here at a time. Each of these is about 3/4 of a pound. So here I used a total of 1.5 pounds of turkey breast for this air fryer recipe. So you're gonna actually do this in 2 batches. So at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to set the air fryer to 25 minutes and you're gonna air fry them for 25 minutes. And then you're gonna take them out, you're gonna flip them, and then you're gonna put it back in the air fryer for another about 20 to 25 minutes. But the key here is that you definitely need to use an internal temperature thermometer. So you need to make sure that the turkey hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the safe way to cook turkey. Some people will pull it at 160 degrees, assuming that it'll come up to 165 degrees when it's time to eat. Overall, I think air fried turkey breast tenderloin is a really easy way to have an air fryer Thanksgiving menu for a small group of people, like 2 or 3 or 4 people, or if you have someone who has allergies and they only want certain seasonings on their air fryer turkey breast, this is a really good option because you can just cook it separately. Before you go, I just have one other recipe that you have to try in the air fryer. You have to check out my recipe for air fryer chocolate chip cookies that are so super soft. I love to make them using a chocolate bar because it just melts and makes them super gooey. You probably have most of the ingredients you need in your pantry to make these. They're really easy to throw together and you have to bake them in small batches, whatever you can fit in your air fryer basket. I got 4 at a time in mine, which is perfect for dessert for one family. So anyways, just 6 or 7 minutes in the air fryer and these are brown to perfection. They're so soft and gooey and keep for 5 days. The recipe is at sipbitego.com. Well, enjoy using the air fryer to cook turkey next time you make it, and check out another recipe video here at Sip Bite Go. Hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!